Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. So today I'm sharing our new empty house tour. That's Emir fake sneezing in the background. A few weeks ago I posted a vlog and it was talking about the two men that were walking around outside of my house, which I still don't know who they were, but they looked in my window and it made me feel uncomfortable. But before that, some other things since like mid-November I want to say have been happening here at this house that we're not comfortable with, and I don't think anybody would be. So since then I've been thinking to move and just get out of here and break my lease, but I didn't want to do that because you guys know I want to buy a house, but I have not found a house yet. Yeah, during that time I spoke to my parents and just like my sister, my family, on things that were going on here, and I felt like I really needed to leave, but it was right before holiday season and I didn't want to uproot the kids, like take them out of school, dealing with moving and all that during the holiday time. So we did have someone staying here with us, but that's not happening anymore. So I'm just feeling like I need to get out of here. People are coming in knocking on my door late at night or super early in the morning. It's so uncomfortable and just unnecessary. So we're out of here. By the time you guys are seeing this video, we have already moved. We're not even here anymore. My lease here ends February 29th, so I did pay for an extra month because I was gonna stay here and do a month-to-month lease like I did at the apartments. If you guys remember from a long time ago, I did a month-to-month lease, so that way when I was ready to leave, I could just leave. But here I missed it by like a week that I was supposed to let them know if I was renewing or not. So by the time something else happened and I was just like, the holidays are over, I'm getting out of here, it was past that time. But luckily my landlord likes me and they didn't charge me like double, or it's not like I'm breaking the lease. I'm just gonna pay for my last month in February, and I know I'm gonna be paying rent for two places, but that's why I save money, because you never know what's gonna happen, and it's okay. I'm fortunate enough to do that. Mine and my kids' safety is more important than anything, so I'm okay with it. Just thought I would make a little bit of a disclaimer. If you guys have any other questions, you could ask me on Instagram, but I wanted to put a little disclaimer in just in case you guys have not seen that video, because I know I'm gonna get a ton of questions. Just so you guys know, at the very beginning, we are renting this house. I did not buy this house, we are renting. I had to say that because so many people were confused when we moved here. Even though I said I rented a bunch of times, they still swore up and down that I bought this house when I never said that. So again, we are renting this house that you're about to see. We did not buy it. And if you're wondering if I'm still gonna buy a house, yes, I just had to get out of here, but I'm still going to buy a house. So just be excited. There's gonna be all types of new videos and new organization. I really like the house. It's super nice. You know what? Let me stop talking and we'll get into the tour now. It's gonna be echoey, but here's the entryway. It's very open. As soon as you come in, tile floors. And this archway here. Off to the side is a drop zone area. Right now, some of my new bedding and pillows are there. I just had them delivered here. And there's a space underneath. Washer and dryer, but I will probably be putting these into the garage and using my own because I like those more. There's a shelf up here. I have my bleach because I'm going to be cleaning tomorrow the entire house. Garage. It's a pretty big garage. There's a window in here. Then it goes all the way back there. That's mine and Ruby's new mattresses and my purse. I'm getting ready to leave. Ow! I almost broke my dang nail. This is the living room area. It's a pretty good size, but awkward setup to me anyway. The TV is supposed to go here, and then there's this empty space there, and then this arch in the middle. So I'm like, how am I going to fit the couches? I bought the couches today. They're not gonna be here until March, but our big couch is gonna be so huge in here until then. I don't know, we'll figure it out, but I love this house, so we'll deal with it. So that's what the ceilings look like on top. 3 big windows in the back. Kitchen, we have white cabinets now. A big island, just like the one we have at home now at our old house. They're gray countertops. I'm not sure if these are granite or not. No, they're not. I don't think so. Hopefully not, so I can use my vinegar mix on them. My next door neighbor is building out there, so that's what the banging is. Got this dark backsplash. I like that. Lots and lots of cabinets. I'm just doing a really quick overview of everything. I'll do an updated tour of everything soon when I have more time, but I wanted to just show you guys basically what it is. Oh, I skipped over this part. More windows, and this area right here is for our dining table. It's a really big area. I don't know if it's picking it up on camera. And then over here, we have a screened in back patio. There used to be a railroad back there, but it's gone now. I was kind of disappointed. Nothing but woods in the back. Can't get away from the woods. I know you guys want to see the pantry. Nice and big. I think the light comes on here. Okay. Nice and big. Ooh, I love this pantry. So much space. Can't wait to organize that. The fridge is just like a basic GE fridge. Nothing really special. Same type of stove and microwave from last time. Here's my room. Same vaulted ceilings, some windows over here. This room is huge. It's the master and it's so big. That's my whole bed frame. So hopefully somebody can come put that together for me soon. And there's that. It's just a really big space, which I love. So in here is my bathroom, and yeah, I put some soap. I think this is the first bathroom I showed. Yeah, I haven't showed the kids' rooms in that bathroom yet, but I put a soap in here. So when we are here, we can wash our hands. Good size linen closet, and it's not behind the door. So happy to have a linen closet. No more tower anymore. A couple cabinets, a vanity, which is perfect. Ruby is gonna have my vanity now. Double vanity. Nice big tub. This shower, you guys. Look at how big the shower is. Oh, yes. And my closet. Let me back up so you guys can see the full effect. This is my closet. Wow. It's huge. Exactly what I needed. I was running out of space in my old closet. There's carpet in here. The light will switch off on its own. And then over there is the toilet in that little room. This is such a big master suite, like the bathroom, the room. I love this. Oh, something I didn't mention is none of the rooms have a light fixture, so I have to install all of those on my own, which is fine. Now I can pick some light fixtures, which I've never done before. Now back towards the front door, we have a half bathroom, just standard sink and a toilet. And over here is the kids' bathroom. Double vanity, which Ruby was so happy to see. Cabinets, and then over here in this room is the toilet and bathtub. And yeah, the whole house is this tile, but I think the tile is actually really pretty. And this room is going to be my office. Decent sized room, closet. So yeah, that's my office. And I need a light fixture in here. Then in here, I think this is going to be Ruby's room, she said. Closet. It's a pretty decent sized closet. Basically like what they have right now. Yeah, it's like what they have right now. And this one is the little one's room. They're going to be sharing a room, which I think is best for them. They're just so little to be on their own, and I know some people's kids are younger and they're already on their own, but they're my kids, and for me, they're too little to be on their own. But to be honest, they'll most likely be sleeping in my room. Oh, there's another closet here. Yeah, they'll most likely be sleeping in my room with me now that I have a king-size bed. But yeah, you guys, that was a really quick overview of our new house, and I will talk to you guys soon. So that was it for the tour. I just wanted to do a really quick overview for you guys to see what it was, but of course I'm going to be doing organization videos. My next video will be cleaning the entire house and packing and moving. I'll upload those videos like over the next few weeks. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you all in the next one.